Today's the day, guys. I'm dropping it off at the Motorcycle Doctors in Wairau Park to get the TPS sensor fixed and replaced. You can see I've got an engine light there and my bike's stuck in it's stuck in some kind of limp mode. It doesn't feel any different, but you can't change the drive modes or anything like that. So yeah, they're going to change that out, and then it's going to get a full custom dyno tune done. So hopefully, yeah, it should be a lot smoother down low and get a little bit more power up high. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I've been wanting to tune it for a while. It's just been money that I can't spend. But we need some gas first, and then yeah, we'll get that with it. Just noticed my engine light went off just by itself. I don't know what the fuck's going on with that. You know, you run the engine light, it keeps coming on, it never goes off by itself. You book it into the mechanic and then the engine light goes away and the bike runs normally. Obviously we're going to go there anyway because I want to get it dyno tuned, and man, electrical problems are such a pain in the ass. It's not in limp mode anymore. I can change the ride modes and everything. I went a really weird direction this morning. No traffic for me, always up the front. The weather is fucked, but I want to give you guys my first initial impressions. I've never ridden it yet, it's just been tuned and everything. I've got the dyno charts and stuff. We'll just get on the road first, and my ass is wet. Yeah, I'm not going to put my front camera on. I can already hear it's idling smoother. Hopefully you guys are going to be able to actually see something. Yeah, she's been all tuned. Oh, yeah, okay. I can definitely feel the difference already. It only made like another 10 horsepower, I think. I mean, that's still a pretty decent increase, but the torque value is much better, like in around the 4,000 RPM rev limit, rev range. I'm interested to see how that feels. I can, man, the on and off throttle, I'm noticing instantly it's so much smoother. There's no like snatchiness or anything. Oh, that's so much nicer to ride. Wow. I don't know if you probably can't hear it on the video compared to my other videos. I'll look back and see, but just cruising like this is way smoother. On and off throttle, and like, man. Obviously they changed the TPS sensor as well. But yeah, the on and off throttle is dramatic. That's quite a difference. I can't say anything in terms of power or performance yet, but the on and off throttle, I can notice it straight away. Engine braking is like slightly less. Honestly, I can't tell you how much smoother it is. Even the quick shifter, I don't know if... I'm sure they didn't do anything. Oh, you dickhead. Yeah, I don't know if they did anything with the quick shifter, but it feels smoother as well. Maybe I'm just like getting ahead of myself. Pity it's absolutely shitting down with rain. I can't like really test it out performance wise. Before it was, you know, like driving around traffic like this, it was real kind of like the on and off throttle was just kind of like jumping and bobbing back and forth and stuff. Just that kind of movement, going from decel to kind of gradually on the throttle, is much smoother. I wonder what power mode 1 feels like. You can probably ride in power mode 1 now because it's not so snatchy. It's the only reason I use 2. It's just a little bit smoother. Probably asking for trouble with power mode 1 and traction 1 on a MT09 in the pissing rain. By the way, it's Thursday as well. They said it was going to be really Friday, so not only was the service actually really good, but it was quicker than, you know, it was supposed to be. I can definitely feel the torque difference. It's around 4,000 RPM. It just picks up quicker than it was. Anyway, I'm going to head back. It's kind of pointless trying to test ride this in the rain, so I'll pick this video back up when probably tomorrow. It's supposed to be better weather and we'll go for a proper thrash and see how it feels performance wise. So I'll see you guys tomorrow anyway. I can't see shit. My radar's freaking out, probably because of the rain. Better unplug it. Tesla. It definitely gurgles more. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's like, it's got like a real nice little burble to it now. I had to check back in. Honestly, I can't tell you guys the difference that this has made to the on and off throttle and the smoothness, like the overall rideability of the bike. It feels like if you guys have ever ridden one of the new Triumph 765s, it feels like that, like just as smooth, which you know, if you haven't experienced one of those bikes, go and try it. I'll see you guys in the garage. That was a massive rainy ride home, but we got back and the bike's pretty sick. I think if I have to sum it up, I would just say that, you know, paying for a dyno tune like that on this particular bike, what you're really getting out of it is the smoothness and the throttle response. I did notice a fair bit amount more torque, but it's not really about horsepower numbers, although I think I went from about 110 to about 120 at the wheel. But that's like right up the top peak power where you're not often using it. But the torque numbers are way better and the smoothness of the throttle is heaps better as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. I am just about to start filming another video where I'm going to put my rack, my eBay special rack that I got. Just turned up in the post, so I'm going to install that now, but that'll be in the next video for you guys, so see you then.